Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce the Benexmart Tuya WiFi Smart Light emitted diode 12-inch 24-watt power ceiling light RGBCW Dimmable ultra thin third-phase mount lamp. With 24-watt Alexa Google Home bathroom lamp is possible too, so you can hear it. It's compatible with our smart home. We can use Alexa to switch on and off the light. Of course, you can or we can use the Tuya app to adjust the brightness level, adjust the temperature of the color, and of course, which color we like to see. That means intelligent control. It supports the control of color and luminance by Tuya Smartlife app. It supports voice control via Google Home and Alexa Echo in the Tuya and Smartlife app. And voice control. Intelligent ceiling light, no hub or gateway is required because it's compatible with Alexa's Echo via the Smartlife app. The Alexa Echo Dot and Google Home Assistant control the Wi-Fi ceiling light via the voice. No hub is required. But you will need a Wi-Fi network which supports 2.4 GHz. But this is not a big deal because every router out there which can handle a 5 GHz network can also handle a 2.4 GHz network. No problem. And then you can use an app to remote control. The remote control means on the entire planet, if you have internet connectivity, you can switch on, switch off this smart ceiling light with RGBCW. Woo, yeah. And you can see it's an easy installation. The LED ceiling light provides an easy installation. With a bracket and an all-mounting hardware included, we can easily make our light ready to use. You can see on the ceiling, there are two lines. One line is the power line, the other line is the back line. And if you switch off the light, so you switch off the power supply, then you can work on it. And on the ceiling light itself, there are two lines too. And these two lines you have to connect. But first, we're going to attach the housing of the ceiling light, the housing with the electronic components. We have to attach to the wall, and then we connect the two wires each other. The two wires on the ceiling light and the two wires which comes out of your ceiling. We have to connect them. And after this, we can slide the main body into position. It's really easy, as you can see. And after this, the only thing we have to do is we have to use the app to pair it, to bring this ceiling light into our Wi-Fi network. And then you're ready for 16 million colors to choose, and we make our life more colorful with that lamp here. The color temperature can be adjusted from 2700K to 6500K. The color can be created by ourselves. Color and brightness can be adjusted when adjusting the color and the brightness. And on top, we have a music synchronization. The brightness of the light can be changed synchronously with the rhythm of our favorite music to create a relaxing and calm atmosphere. We turn any room into a dance floor or create a relaxing and peaceful atmosphere, such as living room, kitchen, bedroom, and so on. You see, it's really easy to attach and really awesome to operate with it. We open the area of whole house intelligent lighting. That means possibility is app control, Alexa voice control, and as you can see, button control, no prob. Dust and insect proof. We have warm color brightness adjustment. It's compatible with the Tuya app, with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. The living room light brightness up to 1920 lumen. The color temperature and the brightness can be freely adjusted through the Tuya app. The daylight mode is bright and transparent to meet the main lighting needs at night. The moonlight mode is soft and comfortable, just like the heavy moonlight out there. And the Tuya app control is more convenient. We download and install the Tuya app on our mobile phone. We control the device anytime and anywhere we like. And we adjust the light without the limitation of distance, which is convenient and fast and makes our home life more free and comfortable. Bright and dark and warm and color, light adjustment, everything is possible. Remote control to turn on the lights in advance before going home. Lights dancing with the music. Time to switch the light and the lights to accompany hours to sleep. We have various color temperature adjustment. We can go from yellow lightning, approximately 3000K, to neutral light 4000K, to white light up to 6500K. The color temperature and the brightness can be selected according to the usage scene to meet the need of the various applications to create a suitable atmosphere. And dust proof and insect proof makes the light more transparent and bright. The Benexmart ceiling lights are dust proof and insect proof, easy to clean and take care of, so that the light is not easy to become opaque and dim due to the dust or insect. Simple design can be more easily matched with various styles of home. And fantastic rhythm. The lights dance with the music. We turn on the music function in the mobile app, and the light will dance with the music. Holidays, carnivals, energetic parties. That's lighting for us. It's the Benexmart ceiling light here. The model is a V4E. The power is 24 watt, 1920 lumens. The wireless protocol is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Zigbee. The working temperature is from minus 25 degrees Celsius up to 45 degrees Celsius. The working humidity is from 5% up to 90%. The voltage is, that's awesome, that's for the entire world, 85 voltage up to 265. So you can see, you can attach this ceiling light where you like. And the weight is 1.5 kilogram, 0.5 kilogram. That's not a lot. You can see it's easy to attach, easy to use, of course. You can use it by your voice, you can use it by the button, and you can use it by the app. This is the Benexmart Tuya WiFi Smart LED 12-inch 24W ceiling light. It's RGBCW because so millions of colors are available. Ultra thin, it's possible to get this in black and white as you like. Energy class is A++++. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.